In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started with your Vocera Badge. To begin, first insert the battery into the back of the badge. Slide the pegs at the top of the battery into the two holes in the badge's battery compartment and press down gently until it snaps into place. There are two ways to wear your badge, either with a clip or a lanyard. Attach the clip and the lanyard in the same way by aligning the two posts on the clip to the two slots on the back of the badge. Push the clip to snap it into place. The two buttons you'll use most frequently on the badge are the call button and the do not disturb button. The call button on the front of the badge is used to summon the genie or to answer yes to a question from the genie. The do not disturb button on the top of the badge is a great option. With one press of the button, you can put yourself in do not disturb mode, put a call on hold, or answer no to a question from the genie. The top and bottom buttons on the front of the badge adjust the volume up and down. The middle button opens a menu that you can scroll through using the up and down volume buttons. To begin using the badge, you must first log into the Vocera system. Press and release the call button and wait for the genie to greet you and ask you for your name.
Good afternoon. Please say or spell your first and last name.
Jenny Smith.
Okay, I'm logging you in as
Jenny Smith.
If this is the first time you are logging in, the genie will ask you to record your name.
I still don't have your name recorded. Recording your name can help others learn how to pronounce it correctly. Can we record your name now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm recording a name prompt for
Jenny Smith.
Say your first and last name when you hear the tone.
Jenny Smith.
I heard.
Jenny Smith.
Is that recording okay?
Yes.
Now say your first name at the tone.
Jenny.
I heard.
Jenny.
Is that recording okay?
Yes.
Okay, I saved it. You can get help on how to use commands by saying, Genie help.
As a best practice, you should always log off at the end of your shift so that people calling you know you're off work.
Vocera.
Log out.
Okay, I'm logging you out.